afternoon everybody, just another day in Poland. So today I'm gonna take you to stroll around my favorite street in Święty Marcin. Well, actually I plan to go to the one lake which is next to Rusałka, but unfortunately the weather is slightly changed and I'm afraid that it's gonna be raining soon. So yeah, I wanna take you to stroll around, just easy peasy, strolling around, enjoying the city in the Święty Marcin. Right in front of me is the world famous Museum National and also Zamek. And I think that outside still under construction, but inside we were there before, and the clock tower on the top. And surround me is just like the busiest street basically, Święty Marcin, and there are lots of action here. Philharmonia Poznańska, and I'm really amazed with the architecture of the building, like this in front of me, like this one, and this one. So yeah, I really want to explore that side because we don't explore that much there. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, look at this architecture building, it's impressive. So this one is a piece of history of Ulica Saint Marcin. So it was 1797. So yeah, let's explore more the area. Look at this door of the, I think that Poczta Polska, it means that a post office. Very nice door and surround building, nice. Inside and look at the design of the door, it's so impressive, isn't it? And look at this building in front of me, look at the architecture, nice. And let's go over there in the red building. Look at this mural art on the top, it's very cute, and the building apartment. And down there is so many restaurants. I found a bar Rabu again and pub, and you see people eating on the street over there. So yeah, this is actually I think the part of the Eat Street, and also surrounded by the green garden like this. So the building in front of me is just like the university building. As you see that there are so many university students surrounding me, and in front of it is already green garden. So yeah, I'll show you around here. This is what I really like walking in Poznan. Walk few meters, already green garden. Look at this beautiful playground in front of me, very nice, and the green garden surround me, and sound of bird, nice. Green garden, birds, ducks again. Look at this, very nice. Oh, beautiful. Look at you. See, every day I found the ducks, the pond, and green park, just like this. So happy. Wow, very nice. Look at these dandelion flowers. And that's the university building. And as you see that on the left, on the right side, there are so many students. Yeah, and this is the park. This beautiful fountain. I remember that someone says that you know guys were in Poznan, Poland in 20 years ago. Yes, I believe like 20 years ago Poznan, Poland was totally different than today, right? Now it's modern, and then what I see is that more into getting better and better in terms of the life quality and everything. And the building also, so many nice buildings around, and first of all must be the green garden surrounding like this. It's just like that building in front of me. This one is the university building, University of Economy. And then that's also university building, I think University of Art. And look at this beautiful fountain here. And surround me, there over there is the Adam Mickiewicz University, and that's also university building. So yeah, this is the center of students basically. So that's over there is the academic music, and that's is another Adam Mickiewicz University building. That is the Adam Mickiewicz Park, my favorite park. And this one, the Zamek, and that's over there is also another park and fountain. So that was intersection of the Adam Mickiewicz University. So we are back again in Saint Martin, and this one is basically the what I can say that the Eat Street in Saint Martin. You see that on the right, on the left side, so many restaurants. Very nice flowers, colorful. I don't know, let's see the menu. I feel like I want to eat something. Hi, so I decided to go to Bangkok. Actually, they have a nice set menu with some main course, vegetarian broth, dessert, and I ordered with the set with the lemonade. So around 38 sote you will get many things. And then I decided to sit inside. Look at this one, sitting arrangement inside. Basically, many green things. Machineko, look at this one. Wow, so 32 sote with letter. I will have my mango lassi for the dessert, and with this one. Ooh, and one thing is that I see from here behind is they are for a Thai chef, so it means original authentic Thai food in front of me. I feel like I get throwback to Bangkok now. So here is the dessert, the mango lassi. Fresh mango. I really like it. Right, so I just finished my lunch. Actually, I paid around 38 swote, which is my rice, my duck rice, and then dessert for the mango lassi and also drink. It's very nice deal actually, 38 swote for that kind of main course and dessert. I really like it. Okay, let's stroll around. I'll show you what is actually in the 20 Merchant Street. Basically, everywhere is green and clean. And yeah, I'll show you around. There are so many restaurants and shops here. Like this one over there, so many sitting arrangement outside, and like this. Outside, so many chairs and so many tables. So literally like 20 Merchant. Whenever you come to Poznan, you definitely has to come to 20 Merchant at least to sightseeing, enjoy your drink, and so many students. Now this one, so many nice restaurant, American restaurant, and this one is the coffee shop, and then the ice cream shop. Very nice. Also in front of me, the group of food trucks basically. And this one is the mall, nice looking mall. And that's in front of me is the church. And if you go straight there, there will be the Starry Neck. So this is the explanation about the church basically, the church Saint Martin. So during the World War II, the church was the most damaged among all Poznan churches. And here is the miniature of the church, like this. Now there are so many nice buildings surrounding. And here is, oh, look at this one. I think this one is the brand new tram. Very nice color, and that's in front of me is the Galeria MM Mall. So Poland has changed a lot basically during the past years. That's beautiful, nice church and restaurant. Look what I found! Elite Bali Spa. Oh, very nice. I think down there is the spa. Nice. So you see, everywhere I go, there is something like related to Asian, Thailand, and Bali. So we were there in the Galleria MM. And then that's the church 20 Marcin, and that's the tram. And now we arrive in the Plac Wolnosci. See, it is a very centrally located wherever you go. And here is the Museum Narodowe. And if you go exactly straight there, it's actually already Stary Rynek. Yeah, so by walking distance, basically, it is a very enjoyable, enjoying the sightseeing city every single day. And the most important thing is that wherever you go, it's always green like this and clean. Very nice walk path. It's just like the previous walk, I was in the Thai restaurant and we passed the Bali Spa. Actually, the thing is that the Asian market here in terms of business is really good. So yeah, don't worry about if you want to migrate, work, study, or you want to live here. It is a very great opportunity. It's like yesterday my mom calling me and my dad calling me that, how is this life in Poland so far? Do you enjoy it? Do you like it? And how it is? And it's because like 7 hours, basically the time difference from Bali and also Poland. So we have to arrange the time to have a video call. And I said to my mom and my dad, now you feel and how it is having a long distance relationship. And I said to my parents that this is how I was during a 5 or 6 months when Damian was in Poland and I was in Bali. It's just like long distance relationship. It doesn't work for us. And even you, as parents, you already miss me. Like 3 months already away, you already miss me. So this is just like, life is a matter of choice, right? I said like that to my parents. I know that because of we are family oriented, and Damian also from family oriented. So either Bali, Indonesia, or Poland is our home. So now here I'm in Poland. This is my second home, and it was when it is in Bali. Bali, Indonesia was Damian's second home. So what I can say then, I really enjoy it so far. And the most important thing is that everybody, like embracing me. Everybody like, appreciate and respect me how I am here. That's the most important thing, and I'm really happy. So I make every single day video in Poznan, Poland, and so my family knows how I am. And then I've got a message actually some time ago. They are coming from the Balinese that who will live and work here in Poland. So I hope that you guys watching my video every single time, every single day, so you know that the current situation, how it is like living in Poland, how it is the situation, how I feel so far. I make a video, I feel safe and everything. Is not just because of my husband is coming from Poland or something like that. No, it's not like that. But what I see also today in the Thai restaurant in Bangkok, I saw also some Thai chef there. One thing is that there are also many Asian living there, many Southeast Asian, Indonesian, Philippines, Thai, and then yeah. So what I can say that it is Poland, especially in Poznan, it is a very foreigner friendly. And what I can say then, like the place where I stay in Jesice and surrounding, that's the area. There are also many foreigners living there. So far is that what I can say. Yeah, it's so enjoyable. And if you have opportunity actually to work and live abroad, for those Balinese who wants to try a new job, something like that, just try to work and live abroad. It's so enjoyable, you know. You are out of your comfort zone, you learn so many things. So I think that's all my video today, guys. I think that it's gonna be raining, so thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. So we are in Ale Marcinsko tram station. I'm waiting for number 3, 9 or 13. And basically how the trams look like. But look at the Galleria MM over there. You see, even they have a bowling on the top and the restaurant on the top. I'll zoom it a little bit, like this one there on the top. They have a restaurant. So many things actually here in Poznan, Poland.